I want to be here. I want to do the work I do. It's very challenging. It's very exciting, and it keeps me going and motivated at the same time.
I like working. I don't like to stay home and, don't do nothing. So I like come to work. Back then I work even like 6 days, 7 days a week. I work. Yeah, till they tell me, oh, you gotta take day off. You work too much. I said, I'm okay.
They treat people fair. They treat people with respect, and you get the sense of you're valued, and you work hard, and good things happen to you.
I love the people that we work for. We have a great group of people here, very energetic, willing to pitch in and solve problems for our customers.
I enjoy working here in Taylor because there's endless opportunities for growth, there's recognition for individual talent, and there's always an open door policy. Regardless of where you're from, race, talent, you're always welcome in the door.
One of the dreams was, how could we use the synergies of all our company and leverage that with our customers? Now, is it perfect today? Absolutely not. But is it better than I've ever seen it? Absolutely. And I think if every day, every week, every month, every year we get better at it, I think in a few years it'll be extraordinary. So.